Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Edutopia. If you have not subscribed the channel yet, please subscribe the channel and press on the bell icon for more updates. Today we are discussing about the Amazon off-campus placement question paper, the previous year question paper and some important question. So the first question is, in C, if you pass an array as an argument to a function, what actually gets passed? And there are 4 options for it. And the right answer is your C, base address of the array. And the second question is, which of the following statements are correct about an array? And there are 4 statements given. And the right statements are first and fourth. The array int number 26 can store 26 elements, and the fourth one. In description, you will find the question paper called the top companies of India and other one also. So please go and check out the channel playlist, and some part of the job updates is also on the playlist. You can also check that. And the next question is, which of the following function is used to find the first occurrence of the given string in another string? And the right answer is your C. And the next question is, what will be the output of the program in 16-bit platform, Turbo C under Docs? And the right answer is your B, code 2 and 8. And the next question is, which of the following statements are correct? There are 4 statements given, and you have to find the correct statement. And the right answer is your B, that is A, B and C. And the next question is, what is the similarity between a structure union and enumeration? And the right answer is your B. All of them let you define new data types. And the next question is, what will be the output of the program? There is a program given. You have to identify the correct output from the options. And the right answer is your D. And the main motto of this video is to let you know about the types of question is going to be asked in your exam. And the next question is, in which state of the following code get replaced by content of the file? And the right answer is your T, during processing. It is the code given. And the next question is, what are the different types of real data type in C? And there are 4 options given. And the right answer will be your C, float, double, long double. And the next question is, which statement will you add in the following program to work it correctly? And the right option is your B. And the next question is, what do the following declarations signify? There is a declaration given. You can see here. And the correct answer will be your B. And the next question is the following statement a declaration or definition? Find what does it mean? And there is you have to find whether it is a declaration or definition. And the answer is also given. And the next question is there any difference between the two declaration? There are two declaration given. You have to find whether they both are same or different. And the answer is your no. Means there is no difference between these two declaration. And the next question is the following code legal? There is a code given. You can see here. This one. And the right answer is your no. And the next question is also same as the above. There is a code given. You have to find whether it is legal or not. And the right answer is your no. And the next question is, which version do you prefer of the following two? And the right answer is your first. And the next question is, find the output of this program. And your answer will be, here you can see that. And the next question is, printf can be implemented by using ... list. And the right answer is your verbal length argument. And the next question is the command which gives the device of your system. And the right answer is your who. And the next question is, which of the following is correct? There are 3 options given. And the right answer is your C. For loops can't be overlapped. So guys, if you have not subscribed the channel yet, please subscribe the channel and press on the bell icon. Here you find different job updates and technical videos, some part of the site designing, website designing, and then online certificate course videos, and download and install software part some, and the placement preparation playlist is also added. So please guys, subscribe the channel, and we'll meet in next video. Thank you.